Okay, just wanted to show you how to use a scale. Not that it doesn't come with an instruction, but if you're like me, I just like to be told kind of quick reference how to use this. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna turn it on. There's a button down here at the bottom that turns that on. And then from there, you're gonna see the screen come up. And on the screen, it's just gonna say 0 on here. So you're gonna hit set. And then from there, you're gonna go up to however old you are. So let's say that we're 45 years old. So you just do the up button here, and then we're gonna hit set on there. And then it goes into a little man, little symbol, and a little woman symbol. If you hit set one more time, you'll see that it shows it flashing, but if you hit the up again, it'll toggle back and forth between man or woman. So depending on which one you are, find that one. And then you're gonna hit set again, and then it'll pop up your height on there. Again, from there, let's say that we're 5'7" and 1/4. So we find that. If we went too far, you can always back out of it, hit set. From there, you hit set. You can kind of cycle through that and see everything. You're gonna see that it zeroes out on weight. You're gonna go ahead and put the scale down. You don't have to hold it to do any of that. Then you're gonna step on the little electrodes that are on here, and you're gonna hold this out in front of you like you're riding on a scooter, and then it'll cycle through the numbers on there. From there, once it's completed, there's little dots, dashes that are gonna go across the screen during that time frame, but you're gonna wait until all those little dashes just settle on your weight. Once it settles on your weight, I have my shoes on so it's not reading my information, but once it settles on your weight, then you're gonna come back through and you can write your weight down, and then you can select this first button. It'll show you your BMI, and then you select the second button in, it'll show you your body fat percent. And then you can either drop down below that and hit that, that's your visceral fat. And then on this one, it shows you your body age or your physiological age. And that one, you do have to click on it twice to be able to see that. So you just go through that, stand on it, grab those numbers, and that's gonna set you up for taking these measurements every single time.